Hey guys, how's it going on? My name is Kristifor, and today I'm going to show you how to install Google Analytics in WordPress manually. So let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is go to Google and type analytics.google.com and click enter. And you will see this page. Here you need to sign into your Google account, or if you don't have one, you need to create it. But since I already have an account, I will just sign in. Let me enter my password and click enter. Once you sign in, you will see this page. In this page, you need to click on start measuring and you will need to set up the Google Analytics account. It's pretty simple. Just enter your name here, then go below and click next. Then the property details, here enter the website name. I will enter vptats.com. You can choose your time zone. Mine is in North Macedonia. And keep currency as US dollars. You can change it if you like. And then click next. So it will ask you some business details. In which industry are you in? For example, I'm in internet and telecom. Then it will ask you a business size. Click small. Next. So in this tab, you will see some other things like it will ask you why do you need Google Analytics. You can choose to track the leads, sales, raise brand awareness, examine user behavior, and more. But I usually go with get baseline reports and click on create. So now it will show you some agreements, but you can click I also accept and accept it. So once you accept it, now you will need to choose here platform. I click on web because I am tracking website data. So let me go to my site. I'm gonna track this site. So let me enter it like this. And it will be vptats. So just enter your link here and your stream name and click create and continue. So once that's done, you will open it automatically. As you can see, set up Google tag. So I will click on install manually, and from here I will just copy this code, this tag that I need to copy. We'll go to my site. Let me just log in. So now from here you will need to go to the plugins and click at new plugin. We'll search for insert header and it will show you this plugin VP code, insert header and footer. Just install and activate it. Once it's activated, you will see a code snippet here and you will click on add snippet. Then you will choose add a custom snippet and we'll name it Google Analytics. And you will just pass the code that you copied. And it will be in the header. Just click activate here and save it. So now if you get back to the Google Analytics, click on test installation. And as you can see, my Google Analytics is installed on my site. So I can just click on confirm now. And it will show you that you can get the data in 48 hours. It will take some time to show the data. But now if I go back to my Google Analytics, you should be able to see some visits here. So it's working, it's showing the data. After 2 weeks, maybe after a month, you will see more data in the dashboard directly. How users perform on the site, what they do, how long they stay on it, which pages they open most of the time, and things like that. I hope this video helped you out. If you want to see some more videos, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification to get updated every time when I upload a new video. Until then, see you in the next video.